Hello everyone. I'm Alex CodeMaster, your guide to the future of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving headfirst into a fascinating development in the world of artificial intelligence. A new tool that combines AI and creativity in an unprecedented way. I am talking about the DALL-E working test. This revolutionary technology is set to redefine the boundaries of creativity. And I'm excited to take you on this journey. Whether you're an everyday tech enthusiast, a seasoned developer, or an innovative mind looking to explore the latest in AI, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is DALL-E? DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, is an astonishing AI system designed to generate images from textual descriptions. Simply put, you give DALL-E some words, and it creates an image based on your description. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's the magic of artificial intelligence. DALL-E is an offshoot of GPT-3, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. By using GPT-3's capabilities, DALL-E can understand and interpret textual input and, more impressively, generate relevant, creative, and sometimes surreal images. Section 2. How does DALL-E work? DALL-E is trained using a dataset of text-image pairs. It's a variant of GPT-3, designed to generate images instead of text. It uses a version of the transformer model, a type of neural network architecture used in natural language processing. The true genius of DALL-E lies in its ability to generate images of objects that don't exist in the real world but can be described verbally. For example, if you ask DALL-E to generate an image of a two-story pink giraffe-shaped house, you would get exactly that. Yes, it's that precise. Section 3. Future implications. The implications of a tool like DALL-E are vast and exciting. Imagine a world where visual artists can use verbal descriptions to create unique and abstract art. Or where product designers can quickly generate prototypes based on a descriptive brief. In the educational field, DALL-E could be used to create visual aids for teaching complex concepts. Imagine being able to generate an image of a cell division process or planetary orbits based on a simple text description. Section 4. Practical applications. As for practical applications, DALL-E could revolutionize various industries. In advertising, for instance, it could be used to generate unique and customized visuals based on specific campaign briefs. In the entertainment industry, DALL-E could be used to create character designs, backgrounds, or props based on script descriptions. The possibilities are, indeed, endless. In conclusion, DALL-E represents a significant leap forward in the world of AI. With its ability to understand and visualize human language, it opens up a world of possibilities for artists, designers, educators, and innovators. While we're just starting to scratch the surface of what DALL-E can do, it's clear that this technology has the potential to change how we approach creativity, design, and visual representation. As we move towards the future, it's tools like DALL-E that remind us of the power and potential of AI. It's an exciting time to be alive, isn't it? So, that's our journey into DALL-E. As your guide, Alex CodeMaster, I invite you to keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep innovating, because the future, my friends, is ours to create. Until next time, stay curious.